Ladies and gentlemen, today we're reviewing Givi City Rush. My name is Vince, I hope you enjoyed the video. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, so thank you so much for that. Let's kick this off. This is Givi City Rush Earn Money. It's a new Givi application with about 10,000 plus downloads. Now the whole goal of City Rush is that we build cities and connect them to earn real money. We're going to find out today if it's legit or a complete scam, so I hope you enjoy. So this is what Givi City Rush looks like. We have our islands all across the screen here, and you'll notice that there are many different islands that we can actually unlock to join up. So remember, the whole goal of this application is that we join up the islands. And now you'll see that an advertisement just played as I was speaking. This is going to be the first problem straight off the bat about Givi City Rush. It has very intrusive advertisements. So even when you're literally using the application, advertisements will play, which is a big problem. We'll talk about that later on though. Top left corner of the screen, you're going to find your account balance. While you're using Givi City Rush, you're going to generate coins from the little cars that are connecting to each of the islands. And there's another advertisement again. So essentially every single 30 seconds or so, an advertisement is going to play. These nodes can have 5 different connections to them from each island. We also have our in-game currency, and we have a key system to unlock different islands. You notice that this island here states that I need 59,000 of the coins and 2 keys. This currency is the in-game currency, while the top currency is the real-world value currency. You can also watch an advertisement for real money as well. You see here how it says new reward. It states that I need to watch the video to claim it. So let's do that now. Alright, so that advertisement has been watched, and that generated about 11,000 of the coins. And then another advertisement just instantly played again. So I literally just got hit with a double ad. At the bottom of the screen, you can find upgrades for your city, while you can also find the offers tab. Here in Australia, I only had 3 different options for offers. We have CPX Research, Polefish, and BitLabs. Now before we do anything else, let me just give you a basic understanding of the currency system on Givi City Rush. So I have 70,000 of the coins. This equals 7 cents worth of USD currency. Now tapping on the account button here brings you to your account page. Tapping on the withdraw button will let you see the cash out options. Now this is the main thing that I love about the Givi applications, is the simplicity of the cash out page. You'll notice that we have many different cash out options available. We have the PayPal cash out option here with a minimum of $1.04 needed, while we have a crypto cash out here for only 19 cents needed. So it is nice to see that the Givi applications are expanding their options, because I know a lot of people out there don't have access to PayPal. From what I can see here, 10,000 coins equals 1 cent USD. So at least now you have some understanding on the currency system. And there's another advertisement straight away. I'm going to unlock these 2 islands. So now I've just tapped unlock on both of the islands, and there we go. One island is complete, and there's a second island. So now my job is going to be to connect these islands together. And there's another advertisement as I'm trying to talk again. Very frustrating stuff, and you're going to find this is the biggest problem about this application. I understand developers need to make cash as well, but this is so annoying, dude. Surely they can implement a better system. You can actually upgrade a node here just by tapping on it. You can see it now brings up the city's name, the level of the vehicles on the city, and of course how much it costs to upgrade the node. So I'm going to fully upgrade it right now. There we go, maxed out node there, and I have yellow little vans here it seems. So every single vehicle on my island should at least be yellow. I can see a blue car right there. That's not good at all. I need to upgrade a node. There it is. Done. So just on camera, I just upgraded a node right in front of you. Now, before I connect any of these islands, let me just max out the nodes on all of them. I have 1.79 million of the in-game currency, by the way. So we're not going to be running out of currency anytime soon, which is very nice to see. I'm just going to keep on tapping max upgrade here so we can try and get the best amount of coin. And there's another advertisement again. You can see what you're going to have to go through with Givi City Rush. So yes, obviously we want to max out our nodes best level so then our cities generate the most coins. Now to start connecting the cities, all I do is select one of the nodes and connect it to the other node. And there you go. The node is now successfully connected. Let me continue to connect all these nodes together here. There we go. Just remember, each node can have 5 different connections, okay? This is what happens when you max out the connections on a node. And another advertisement. Thank you very much, game. The error is max connections reached. You can only connect max 5 street networks between 2 states. That's okay though, we'll keep on going. That's why you have to keep on building new nodes over and over again, essentially. Because of these limitations, it's a pretty smart way to get you to keep unlocking the islands as well. Looks like we have an island at the bottom here that needs to be upgraded, so let me just do that now on camera. It's a very straightforward system, and I have to say, it is probably one of the better Givi applications that I've played, and I've played every single one of them now at this point, so let me just keep on trying to connect all these little nodes together. There we go, little triangle. Very good, everyone. It is still a slow process to generate the in-game coins, just an FYI. I feel like this is one of those applications that's going to take a long time to generate any type of serious revenue on, but it is still a pretty fun application for what it offers. And there's another added game. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect the rest of the islands together. Now, the thing is, it doesn't generate the actual money coins from what I noticed. It seems like that just happens on its own at a random every single minute or so. I actually think it has something to do with the amount of advertisements that they spam you with, because here's another advertisement within 15 seconds of the other one. I'm sure there's going to be people out there that like this kind of game, okay? So I'm not going to really say it's a terrible one at that. I just don't know if it's going to be really worth your time or not, because I believe you're probably looking at generating maybe 18 to 19 cents per hour on Givi City Rush, and you have to put up with so many different advertisements. But I'm slowly running out of the in-game currency here, as you can see. It's interesting because I thought the distance of the road would matter on the cost, but it doesn't seem to be that way. It pretty much turns into a massive mess of roads, which you can see here on the screen right now. You'll also notice as well that there are many different islands to unlock, so it's not like you're going to be finished on Givi City Rush in about an hour or two. It seems that there are 4 worlds in total, and I believe they're going to be bringing more on as time goes on, and there's another advertisement again for proof of reference that it never stops. Okay, so now we know that 10,000 coins roughly equals 1 cent USD. Let's go check out the offers. Let's check out CPX Research first. I don't know what's going on with Givi lately, but their offer wall system has the most ridiculous cut I've ever seen to the user. So usually surveys will pay you the highest on money making applications, but on the Givi applications they're only paying like 1 or 2 cents per survey completed, which is insane. Let's go check out Polefish now. Again, the exact same situation on Polefish, everyone. You'll notice here that the surveys are just not up to scratch at all. Last is BitLabs. Again, exact same situation on BitLabs. As you can see here, 20,000 of the coins equals 2 cents, everyone, for a 9-minute and 11-minute survey. Now it's time to find out if I can actually receive my money from it. Well, everyone, I cashed out Coinbase currency, which is Bitcoin, and even though it states an instant cash out, I was told I had to wait 3 days to receive the funds. I am pleased to say though, it did pay me within 2 to 3 days of requesting that cash out, but it is no longer instant cash out, everyone, for Bitcoin. So is it worth your time? Just like every other Givi application out there, while it's legit, I feel like there are much better applications on the market right now, but it is nice to see they're still paying their players. If you guys want to see 5 different apps that will pay you PayPal currency, check out this video right here on the screen. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, and share this to anyone that needs to see it. I'll catch you all tomorrow, guys. Stay safe. See you later.